Happy Wednesday morning. It's about 5:30. This will be the first time we go down to the beach in the morning. All the other times we've gone are in the afternoon, but I did want to get in at least one morning walk. So it's dark. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then we're gonna hop on down to the beach.
We're gonna go to the beach.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach. And we're off.
We're gonna do a morning beach walk.
Yeah. I gotta say, there's something super peaceful about an early morning beach walk. I wish we had done this sooner, and last time too. I'm not really much of a morning person, but I could get used to this. I think we're gonna walk down to the jetty this morning. It'll probably be about a 2-mile round trip walk, if not a little bit more, but there's not a lot of people on the beach, so perfect time to do it. Well, there's the jetty. There's the rest of the beach. So we made it all the way down to the jetty. We're about a little over halfway back. If you didn't catch the little clip last night, I ate dinner at the New England House restaurant up here in Wells, Maine. If you're in the area, York, Wells, Ogunquit, I highly recommend that place. I ate most of the food that you saw in that last clip, which was, it's a lot of food for one person anyways. We're gonna get breakfast at Forbes and see what the day brings us. And a mini breakfast of champions. They call this one the High Pro. 3 eggs, 3 pieces of bacon, 3 pieces of sausage, and some home fries. And a piece of watermelon. Somebody is very interested. Well, that was delicious. Would you agree? Of course, Bo had to have some, not too much of it, but a little bit of home fries, piece of sausage. We've now been down at the beach for about 2 hours, so we're gonna head back to the motel, get him some breakfast, actual breakfast, then we're gonna head to a wildlife reserve. Man, I'm gonna come down here every morning now. That breakfast was good. The next place we're going to is called the Carson National Wildlife Refuge. It's about a 15-20 minute drive from where we're staying, and supposedly there's a big trail, some little beach areas that hopefully I can take Bo down onto. But I haven't been there. We didn't go there on the last trip up here, so figured it's something new to do instead of cycling back through all the stuff we did last time, which we will continue to do because there's only so much you can do with a dog during normal day hours. But yeah, figured this would be a fun one to go check out. Yeah, we're gonna go for some walkies. We're gonna go for a walk. One thing that I forgot to bring is bug spray. That was a mistake on my part. Big mistake on my part. I even bought some. What's nice about this area in particular, unlike Mount Agamenticus that we hiked last time, is this is pretty much shaded, albeit in the woods, so quite mosquito filled, but it is shaded, so although it's 80 degrees outside, it definitely doesn't feel like that in here. It's actually quite nice. What's really nice about being here at 9:30 in the morning is there's maybe 10 cars in the parking lot, so there's not a whole lot of people roaming the trails. It's pretty nice. I think all the way Down there is where the beach is. See, this thing comes in handy even when you're not at the beach. Come on. As soon as you walk out of the woods and you come out into this open area, you can feel the heat. It just warmed up about 10 degrees in about 30 seconds. Yeah.
There's another one over there somewhere.
All right, we had to continue on the walk because if there's anything I know about Bo, when he sees things like deer or other dogs from a distance, he tends to make a lot of noise. And nobody needs that. Hey. If I'm not mistaken, this trail is about a mile long. We've already seen a couple deer. I'll throw some footage of that up now if it wasn't already in here. I think aside from not bringing bug spray, I'd definitely come back here. It's a nice peaceful walk, especially coming at like 9:30 in the morning when there's nobody here. And it's not super long, it's shaded so it keeps you out of the sun. Definitely on my list of places to come back to. If you're ever in the area, this is in Wells, Maine, come to the Carson National Wildlife Refuge. Take a little hike. I think we're coming up towards the end, maybe. A couple buildings out here. Yeah, it's a really peaceful walk. Beautiful scenery too. Now the question is, we've come to a fork in the road. Do we go that way or this way? I'm thinking since we came from that way, this and that sign was pointing us towards this way. But I also see cars that way, because the sign on that says 1, and I feel like we've passed this already. It's definitely where we started. I think we came in through this direction. Obviously the parking lot's over there, but... So it was a quick 35, 45 minute hike. Not too bad. Got a little area with some picnic tables, restrooms. I think this is what they're calling the Refuge headquarters. It's definitely where the trail ends. See what they got on this sign. All right, quick bathroom break and on the road. That was a nice little hike, huh? So that one didn't take too long. I was expecting it to be slightly longer. I think it took us about an hour to walk around the whole thing. But all in all, it's a really beautiful place to come take a quick walk with the dog. They've got a visitor center, which we didn't venture over to just because I'm not gonna take him inside. But yeah, the Carson Trail, about a mile long. Did you like that? Are we gonna go for a ride? Yeah, I don't know where we're going next. This was fun though. He was a good boy. You tired?